Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Insert a charged battery and a formatted SD card, because power and storage stop you, not creativity. Once done, switch the mode dial to video and choose 1080p 30 FPS for a balance of quality and file size. Make sure to set autofocus or manual focus depending on your subject, since focus determines clarity. Also, confirm audio source, internal mic or external, because good sound prevents redoing takes. Begin recording with confidence. You're capturing usable. Once recording has started, stabilize your camera on a tripod or gimbal to avoid shaky footage. Remember 16:9, framing fills the frame for most players. Then adjust exposure. Set shutter to roughly 1/60 for natural motion, open aperture for subject separation, and keep ISO as low as possible to reduce noise. Make sure image stabilization is enabled and pick a white balance that matches light. Monitor audio levels on the display so dial. To finish, stop the recording and immediately verify the file plays back on your camera to ensure integrity. Once confirmed, copy files to 2 separate backups and label folders with date and scene for quick retrieval. If something goes wrong, like corrupted files or no audio, restart the camera first, then try a different SD card and inspect cables and connectors for loose contacts. This troubleshooting sequence solves most problems quickly, so you don't lose footage or time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.